Hey guys, I hope you are well. So I wanted to do an update on my trading journey today, and I wanted to start with Bitcoin. So let's start with looking at the weekly chart. So over the weekend just gone, it retraced into the golden pocket again, and I was watching it as it happened, and I got in a trade. I'll show you what I was doing. So these are the trades that I took. So that was just on the weekend recently. I did a short. Quickly got out because I was watching it on the 15-minute. Moved really fast, so I got out, and then when it went back up, I entered a long. So those were two really good trades for me. So I've been doing pretty much just range trading, or you could even just call this scalping, because I'm just taking a little bit out in each of my trades. The really good ones like that one and like that one, for a good few $100s. So out of 12 trades, 11, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, let's just call it 11 trades. I did get 2 that got stopped out, that one and that one. However, the loss was minimal. And when I did win, the gains were much better. So as long as you stick to your trading rules and, stick to only losing 1 to 2% of your account in each trade, you'll quickly make gains and your trading account will grow in size pretty quickly. So that's the aim of trading. And yeah, I'm going to rant on a bit about it because right now I'm sitting at home and I've got the comfort to choose when I want to make money by looking at a screen and trading. When I hear that my state, because I live in Western Australia, has now gone into lockdown in Perth, and people are getting angry. People that are working fly in, fly out are now stuck and unable to fly back home. And they're at the mercy of pretty much what the government does, even when it's completely corrupt. So yeah, I'm going to have a bit of a rant here because I remember this happening last year, and I was put in the position of not being able to work as a masseuse and needing to find other ways to earn income. And I started searching and pretty much stumbled onto trading, crypto trading. So I, found a mentor and dived in, and since then I've never looked back. And I'm so glad that I have this skill. This is a skill that once you learn it and you get good at it, you have it for life. And you don't have to, be at the mercy, at the whim of corrupt governments, just putting that out there. I'm passionate about, having people see that, the freedom is there if you want it. So, and one vehicle you can choose is trading. So, amongst many. So, that's why I'm sharing my trading journey, as well as sharing the fact that, I have mentors that you also can learn from. And, if you're interested in learning that skill, then I'll be putting the link to a free intro to trading webinar below that you can watch. And anyhow, I will go into my analysis on Bitcoin right now. And what I'm looking at in my next trade, you can see I am going to go, I've entered. I'm looking at a long. Could be wrong, could go the other way, but the signals I'm looking at, the reason why I've gotten in is, firstly, let's zoom in on the 1 hour. We're looking at a triangle formation. I think this is the wrong chart. Oh no, that's not that one. Here. So we are ranging within a symmetrical triangle, And to me, that is a good indication that it's either going to bust out above or bust out below. Either way, I'm prepared to lose. If I'm wrong, I'm prepared to lose. On this trade, what's 2%? So, you know, as long as you're only risking 1 to 2% a trade, then, you know, losses are minimal. But when you do win, and when I've been winning, I've been winning 200, you know, $150 to $200. So to me, it's worth the risk. And to me, this skill is, you know, it's great and it's fun. So I enjoy it. You know, it might not be for everyone, but for me anyway. So I have now gotten in this trade, and the reasons why, looking at the Fibonacci, I saw that it bounced off into the golden pocket between the 61.8 and the 50. And then it did a huge candle up on, I think that was on Sunday. And it's now showing, you know, this is the pivot point low, and I don't think it's going to come back down here again. I do think we're going to bust through, because we're in one symmetrical triangle within, underneath this trend line, which looks like it's ready to bust through as well, which is pretty much, another triangle. I haven't drawn the trend line, but if I'm to join these, you can see it's another triangle, right? Could possibly range back down again, touch it again, but, you know, we'll see. We'll see. So that is my reason for entering this trade. Yeah, that's Bitcoin, and let's have a look at some other coins. Other coins that are looking promising to me are DOT as well. Same reason, it's busted through this trend line. It looks ready to go. You know, it's done the huge retracement, and it's now looking like a nice curve back up again. Same with, let's go back to Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin's got a nice W shape, which is a very good indicator. It's a bottom, a double bottom. Yeah. And let's look at ETH. Pretty much the same thing. We're looking at like a triple bottom here, and it looks like it's on the mend, bouncing off the 61.8 on the weekly. Yeah, things are looking good there for ETH and DOT. BTC, I'm sort of, you know, in two minds about at the moment, but yeah, actually ETH and DOT are looking good. So I decided to move my money into, oh yeah, that's right, I was going to do a video on this. Move my money into an earning platform called Celsius. Oh, I can't open that now. So anyhow, I will do a video on that next, but I will put the link below if you can't wait for that and want to join it now, because you can put your money in there and earn interest on it just sitting there idly. So I decided to do that while everything was, you know, ranging sideways with ETH and DOT. However, with BTC, that's the main one I've been trading. And because to me, it's worth trading that because I make the most gains on that. So, yeah, that is all I wanted to talk about with trading. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you my, store that I set up. Created these really cool teas. I think I spoke about them before, but I didn't have a shop set up, but now I decided to set up this shop, and I've got Bitcoin baby teas. So far only for ladies at the moment in black and white. And I ordered a couple to, you know, see if the print was good, and it looks really good on a tea. Like it's, very clear quality, even that's not very clear, but on an actual tea it's super crisp and nice looking. So yeah, just wanted to shill my Bitcoin baby teas. I will put this coin design on a hoodie as well, for men and women, and I'll make that symbol bigger without the Bitcoin baby, so it's like a unisex design as well, and I'll have that option available soon. Yeah, so here's my shop, and I'll put the link to that below as well if you so feel like shilling Bitcoin and being a Bitcoin baby. Yeah, just I love creating things and having a bit of fun. You know, just giving crap to Bitcoin haters as well. If I walk around with a Bitcoin baby shirt, people pretty much know where I stand with Bitcoin. So I love it. It's the future, I think. And there's so many reasons why I think it's going to be the reserve world currency, if not the reserve world digital gold asset class. Like, it'll be worth more than, gold and physical silver, I reckon, because there's just so many fundamental reasons why it's the future. So, but I won't go into that here. Anyhow, that is all for today. I won't make this video too long. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.